We got butterflies. Oh, we got butterflies.
This one just happened a few days ago. We got over here.
This one already became a butterfly.
We're gonna have butterflies. These might pop out tomorrow. Actually, they're gonna be beautiful. Speaking of tomorrow, actually, tomorrow my birthday. Well, we already had a little birthday party. So as far as I'm concerned, tomorrow's gonna be a regular day. Every day's just a regular day at Camp Embarklife. By the way, studio space, I call it Camp Embarklife. We just camp it here for the time being. Once we grow, be able to call me a fortress. Try not to limit myself. If you ain't trying to harm nobody, you should be able to do it. Studio a mess right now. We can take a look a little bit later. I might get some shots, but really we gotta clean this place up, and I got a few things I gotta put onto a to-do list. 148. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank y'all for sticking around. I have some things that I'll be working on right now. They're just not ready yet. That's why we're doing these vlogs right now. I'll be learning a lot. I'll be learning a lot about how I can make my videos even more impactful for you in the future. Oh, what? We got beautiful butterfly. That's amazing. I don't even know what this kind is called, but it's very beautiful. Let me get some shot. I'm gonna show this to my baby child. She's gonna love this. Right now, the wings getting pumped up. Wing power's getting wing power right now. Getting wing power. Let's get some cinematic mode. Let's see if we can do some cinematic mode. Regular video gonna work better, actually. Cinematic mode not really working out right now. That's the chrysalis right there. I was checking in on it all morning. Came back out here and it was like, just popped out. That's beautiful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sorry, my bad. I like butterflies. That's a butterfly. Butterfly's so sick. Love that. Now all that means is today gonna be a good day. Today already a good day. Hey, these wings really be bonking right now. Bonking. I gotta look up what kind of butterfly this is. Hella beautiful. All right, we're going back inside. Got the docket. Got my to-do list for the rest of the afternoon. I found this book too, actually. This one's 2014, so almost 10 years ago. It's a whole ream. And I use a backing paper. Whoop. There's a grid. Help me keep all my thoughts in alignment. This is my favorite 4-column grid. You got 2 major columns, and then you got 2 sidebar columns. That's basically how I organize all my thoughts inside my head already. That's just graphic designer talk. My pops got me some new Michael Jordans for my birthday. My actual name is Jordan, so to me, all of my shoes are Jordans. I guess I can call it Jumpman. This series called Jumpman. This one looked like a skateboard shoe though. Pretty interesting. Got the suede, got some flex area, got the dry grain. To me, shoes is just one of the ultimate areas of graphic design because you get to play with all the magic tricks. You know, you got the embroidery, you got the textured materials, you got the Volk sole right here looking like a Vans shoe. What? It's got the same geometry as the Jordan 1 bottom. Pretty much the same thing as a Dunk bottom. It says right up in here, it says it went down in the backyard. It went down in the backyard right here. Got some embroidery up in here, say deer. Got some Asian characters up in here. They say blue eyes white dragon. I'm just playing. These things are what graphic designers be nerding out on. Iconography, even the color of threads and the way things be stitching. This is all part of visual application, visual principles of design right here. Normally I see a Jordan 11, I think of a high top one. Like if I was to draw you a Jordan 11, I'm a low top person. I don't really got that many high tops. I'm a low top person. Nice bottom. I just see very balanced geometry. That's what I look at. I look at where all the lines go, how balanced the geometry is. I don't like forced geometry. There's something about the 11 that look like come from the insect world, huh? Some alien, got some space age future shoe. This one actually got some sparkle up in here. Got some sparkle up in the pattern. Look at this full bonking. This grain is bonking. In design school, one of the things that we had to do for packaging classes, and actually I went through 4 levels of packaging design classes. We got packaging design 1 all the way through 4. In the first couple classes, every week we had to bring in some type of product or product packaging, critique it by ourselves in front of the whole class. It's kind of like a show and tell critique of packaging design. Textured wrap instead of a tissue paper. Looks like an industrial material, almost looking like a trash bag. Man, they're playing with you with this, bro. At least I tried. Had to get a little still life illustration practice going on. That's just graphic designer stuff. I actually call them graphic illustration. Fatherhood time.
It's all standing. Do you feel it standing up? It's called static.
I had to get that bubble milk. I secured that bubble. Oh, let's go. All right, for show. How to score a film. Well, in this case, is how I score a YouTube video. This is actually kind of based on another video that's on YouTube. It's called How to Score a Film. It's got Mark Mothersbaugh in it. He describes and demonstrates 6 songs to score a film. He's got theme music, he's got travel music, he's got suspense music, he's got sad music, he's got happy music, and then he's got big finale. I call it the triumphant end, victorious end, victory music. What I actually be doing is taking those 6 concepts and then putting them into one song. One big theme song. It's like kind of bookends the episode from start to finish. That's how I see it. Theme song. To me, theme songs are very powerful. You know, right now you're probably already thinking of your favorite theme song. Office, Go Go Power Rangers, you got Dragon, Rock the Dragon, Catch 'em All Pokemon, Full House. Pretty much when I'm using one theme song to score a whole video, in this case a vlog, I try to compose these beats with all 6 concepts in mind. When I put all 6 of those concepts into one, I'm thinking of a main melody. A type of melody that is established and then it grows. Traveling music, I try to find an instrument and a riff or a sequence of notes or a melody. Try to give you a sense of a continuous flow. That's what I'm looking for. And then for suspense is more like, in music, it's more like something you gotta get through to get to the next spot. It's more like anticipation and resolution. In a lot of electronic music or even making beats, I try to think of build-ups and drops. About a bass, bass. I think of suspense. We have to build up and then drop. In terms of sad music, I don't write sad music. I pretty much only write happy music. I try to only use happy noises. I won't say sad, but I'll use mood. Some thoughtful chords. Use some thoughtful chord progressions. Some thoughtful cadences. Verse, chorus, bridge type structure. In there, you'll be able to pop out with some thoughtful chords. How I see it, there's already enough sadness in the regular world. So I try to let my musical contribution be happy noises. Try to find a happy melody, try to find some happy chord progressions, try to keep everything related to the major scale. Upper chord extensions, you might do some chord extensions. Big finale, I'm looking for another melody that's like a counter melody that's going to add on top of the main melody. The main melody is going to grow throughout the entire song. Try to do some voodoo magic up in there. I gotta get to sleep. I gotta be my baby child in the morning, so I'm gonna see you next time. Embark Life.